All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is another one of those instructional videos you like so much. So we went over coloring tools. We're still going over coloring tools in a clipping path. I know it's wonderful. It's exciting. You're like, wow. But here, if we look over here, we got the paint bucket. You should know what a paint bucket is by now. It fills, like if you have a clipping path, it will fill the entire clipping path. So it just boom, drops all the color right in there, that whatever you want. This is a gradient tool. All right. Some of you might not know what a gradient tool is, and it's a wonderful, wonderful thing. So up here, we have the gradient tool, and here's all the information on the gradient tool. We got our opacity. We want our opacity at 100%. You should know what opacity is by now, how opaque something is. It's not transparent, it's opaque. You can't see through it. It's not light. We have blend. We have different things of blending. Don't really mess with blend. It's just gonna irritate you. We don't want to do that. Yeah. Who wants to be irritated? Raise your hand. Yeah. No, not me. So here we have points and colors. So this is the gradient. This is what it basically will look like. We're going from the color down here, which is this orange, to the color over here. We have different points. This is showing you more than one point. This is 2 points. So if I want to change this color, I change this color by clicking on it. I click on this, and I can pick a color. I can go here and just pick a darker color if I want to. So it's a brown. So boom, now you can see the gradation from there. If I want more, if I wanted, this is linear, all right? If I wanted radial, then I would have it this way, all right? So then it would be radial. It wouldn't be linear, it would be radial. I don't know why it's not doing that for me. Anyway, radial will be like a circle. So one in the start of it will be one color, and as it goes out, it'll be another color. You have different points here. So you look at all these wonderful colors here. So you can change all these colors to whatever you want. You can change the opacity of it right from here. So see that? That color will be at lower opacity. And so I can change each one of these at different opacities if I so desire, if I so wanted. All right, and show you how to change that color there by clicking on it. Boom, it's a different color. We hit OK. Pow. All right. Let me show you how it basically works. We're going to go with a radial with all those multicolors. You're going to click where you want it to start, basically, and you're going to drag and drop. The farther that you have this little guy here is going to be the bigger the gradation is going to be. Because the computer basically composites mathematically where the colors are going to go and at what points they're going to go. The farther that you have this out, go on now, the larger the pattern will be. Pow. So you can see everywhere in the clipping path. All right, we zoom out. Whoa. You can see everywhere in the clipping path where it is. We started here, so all the blue is this light blue is gonna be there, and then it did the math on getting all the other colors over there. If we picked over here and stretched it out, that's how it would look. Neat, huh? It's great for putting stuff in there. We have color replacement, which is really awesome. Let's pick a different color. That is that tool here. It looks like the brush, but it's got like a arrow thing here. So I'm just gonna pick, let's go green. That green right there, and color replacement. So as I brush, it should replace the color. So you can see it's only replacing on colors that it has close relationship to. You're probably not going to use that tool that much or that often. And then you have the eraser right next to it, and that erases. You see it's black. That's because it's the background. The background is that checkerboard from prior. This ends this video for right now. I hope you enjoyed. And I'm just going to let the timer run out like at 10 seconds. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed it. There's the other tools.